This might be the scooter that kills the Yamaha TMAX. Yeah, you heard that right. And it's not from Japan, it's not from Europe, it's from China. A 550 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder Maxi scooter with over 50 horsepower, Brembo brakes, cruise control, and wait for it, a built-in dash cam. What? For years, the Yamaha TMAX and Kymco AK550 have ruled this segment without real competition. But now, QJMotor just kicked the door open, and they didn't come quietly, they came loaded. This thing packs a 550 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine pushing around 54 horsepower. That's not scooter territory anymore, that's motorcycle performance. And unlike cheap scooters, this engine is mounted in the frame, meaning better balance, sharper handling, and high-speed stability that actually feels planted. This thing isn't just fast, it's engineered to compete. Upside-down forks, rear monoshock, aluminum swing arm, dual front discs with Brembo radial calipers. Let that sink in. Brembo, on a scooter. And then QJMotor goes completely overboard with features. Traction control, cruise control, full TFT display, and yes, a factory-installed dash cam. Meanwhile, some premium bikes in this price range don't even give you cruise control. But here's the problem. Specs are easy, trust is not. Can it match Yamaha's reliability? Can it survive years of real-world abuse? Will riders in the US and Europe even take it seriously? That's the real battle. So tell me, is this the real TMAX killer or just another overhyped machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments.